Hi everyone. Roll with confidence, comfort, and head-turning custom style on 3 wheels. 2023 Harley-Davidson FREEWHEELER. The FREEWHEELER model, an attitude-soaked, cruiser-inspired trike, gets a blacked-out restyle for 2023. The front end, headlamp, nacelle, tank console, hand and foot controls, powertrain and exhaust all have black finishes in place of previous bright finishes. The result is a dramatic change in appearance that reinforces this model's raw, hot rod attitude. (2023) Harley-Davidson TRIKE Glide Ultra. Now riders have the confidence that comes from all-new traction control on the Tri-Glide Ultra. It sends power where riders need it to help maintain control. It also has Milwaukee-Eight 114 power, Reflex-linked brakes with ABS, an all-new 4-speaker boom, GTS infotainment system, electronic cruise control and 6.8 cubic feet of storage space. Fully loaded and uninhibited, electric reverse puts complete control at your fingertips. Redefine your idea of touring power and long-haul riding comfort. A long-haul touring trike with all the torque, style, premium infotainment and cargo space 3 wheels can hold. (2023) Harley-Davidson TRIKE Glide Ultra Anniversary Edition. A complete package of comfort, performance and confidence on 3 wheels is plussed up in this limited edition release with commemorative paint and finishes, and premium features. Now riders have the confidence that comes from all-new traction control on the Tri-Glide Ultra. It sends power where riders need it to help maintain control. It also has Milwaukee-Eight 114 power, Reflex-linked brakes with ABS, an all-new 4-speaker boom, GTS infotainment system, electronic cruise control and 6.8 cubic feet of storage space. The Tri-Glide Ultra Anniversary will be the most limited production of all the bikes, with just 1,100 made and an MSRP of $41,299, which is $2,800 more than the full production version in 2-tone paint. (2023) Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3. The new Road Glide 3 model combines the advantages of 3 wheels and a load of hot rod attitude with the comfort, convenience and style of the frame-mounted Road Glide fairing. The rider will enjoy wind and weather protection for the long haul plus boom. Box GTS infotainment, with Milwaukee-Eight 114 on-demand performance available with a twist of the throttle. It's a new reason to never stop riding. Thanks for watching.